Alam mo ba na sa Bible, hindi lang sinabing have faith in God. Sa original, pwedeng basahin na have the faith of God. At yung faith na yon, believe and speak first and then you will see. Sa Mark 11:22, sabi ni Jesus, have faith in God. Pero alam mo ba, sa Greek, pwede rin itong basahin as have the faith of God. Ibig sabihin, God kind of faith. Anong klaseng faith yon? Tignan natin si God sa Genesis 1. God said, let there be light, and there was light. Hindi muna niya nakita, nagsalita muna siya. Ganon din ang teaching ni Jesus sa Mark 11:23. Whoever says to this mountain, be removed and cast to the sea, and shall not doubt in his heart, but believe what he said, it will be done for them. Meaning, speak first, believe, then you will see. At sinuportahan to ng Proverbs 18:21. Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who use it will eat its fruit. Ibig sabihin, kung ano ang palagi mong sinasabi, magiging totoo yun sa buhay mo. Kung gusto mo ng life, speak life. Kung gusto mo ng breakthrough, speak faith. Kung gusto mo ng change, start with your words. Believe in Jesus, my friend, the Word made flesh, who teaches us to speak life, faith, and victory. Declare this with faith. I have the God kind of faith. I speak first and then I will see it. Makinig at magbasa lagi ng Word of God. Check the recommended books in my profile showcase. Puno ng wisdom to fill your mind with good things. And subscribe to support our mission of spreading grace-based, Bible-rooted truth. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.